Is it time to buy or sell Rocket Lab USA stock? In this video, we will explore Rocket Lab USA in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, and now we aim to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of August, 2024, our system has identified Rocket Lab USA as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 6.94. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 408.01% since we initially categorized Rocket Lab USA as a buy candidate 79 days ago. This equates to an average return of 5.16% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock has broken through a significant and robust rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger upward trajectory. Should there be any pullback, there will now be support at the ceiling of the current trend, previously broken at $22.97. This level may present a second opportunity for potential gains. According to fan theory, $29.99 is projected to be the next possible peak, serving as a resistance level that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 257.51% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 109.6% to 201.4%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it indicates a 188.73% change over the next year, with a potential return between 1.47% and 54.82%. This equates to a price range of $27.68 to $42.23 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Rocket Lab USA includes the headline, "Strong Day for Rocket Lab USA Inc., stock price on Friday rising 6.27% to $27.28. The Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock price gained 6.27% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 29th of November, 2024, rising from $25.67 to $27.28. This marks a streak of 6 consecutive days of gains. It's not common for stocks to achieve such a feat, and minor declines should be expected. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 9.24%, reaching a low of $25.66 and a high of $28.03. The price has increased in 9 of the last 10 days and has risen by 57.14% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 7 million shares, with a total of 20 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $535,880,000. It is essential to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices can indicate a divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $28.03, and the lowest price was $3.47. Currently, the price stands 2.68% or 75 cents below the 52-week high of $28.03, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rocket Lab, a key player in the aerospace sector, has made headlines recently with 2 successful rocket launches within a 24-hour period, marking a significant achievement in its operational capabilities. This feat, announced on November 25th, has propelled investor confidence, leading to a surge in the stock price, which reached a record high. Additionally, the company's recent approval of a grant valued at $23.9 million under the CHIPS Act to bolster its semiconductor operations has further fueled its momentum. This grant positions Rocket Lab advantageously within a competitive landscape, potentially enhancing its technological capabilities and overall operational efficiency. Over the past week, Rocket Lab's stock has seen a remarkable increase of 27%, and year-to-date, it has soared 320%. These performance metrics underscore a shift among investors towards smaller, high-growth companies within the space sector, driven by Rocket Lab's innovative strategies and operational successes. In the short term, these developments are expected to sustain investor enthusiasm, leading to continued upward pressure on the stock price. Long-term, successful launches and strategic government support like the CHIPS Act grant are likely to enhance Rocket Lab's market position, attracting further investment and bolstering its growth trajectory. This trajectory could solidify Rocket Lab's status as a formidable competitor to established firms in the aerospace industry, such as SpaceX, strengthening its appeal to both retail and institutional investors alike. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, BTIG assigned RKLB a neutral grade with a hold recommendation. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, KeyBank rated RKLB as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Friday, the 27th of September, 2024, KeyBank again rated RKLB as overweight with a hold recommendation. On Thursday, the 12th of September, 2024, JMP Securities rated RKLB as market perform with an initiate recommendation. On Wednesday, the 14th of August, 2024, Citigroup gave RKLB a buy rating with a hold recommendation. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to Rocket Lab USA's stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio also as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rocket Lab USA. Today, the chart displays mostly positive signals. Rocket Lab USA Incorporated shows buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support will be found at levels of $24.04 and $15.13. Should the stock dip below any of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 14th of November, 2024, with the stock rising to date by 57.14%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. Therefore, the stock warrants close observation. Here are some additional signals you may find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal reported 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal noted 82 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal observed 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal identified 58 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal recorded 131 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal that occurred 125 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rocket Lab USA. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $25.44 and $24.06. There is an inherent risk when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, Rocket Lab USA Inc. finds support just below today's level at $25.44. If this level is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $24.06 and $20.50. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating volatility, and with a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $2.37 between its highest and lowest points, which is a change of 9.24%. For the past week, the stock has demonstrated a daily average volatility of 10.15%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rocket Lab USA, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can go through downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is expected on the 25th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 11 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rocket Lab USA. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which suggests that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Rocket Lab USA encounters its first support level at $25.44. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Rocket Lab USA from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 26th of November, 2024, Saint-Merlin conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. On the 25th of November, 2024, Spice Atom C conducted an insider sale of 62,511 shares of common stock. On the 25th of November, 2024, Klein Frank conducted an insider sale of 35,968 shares of common stock. On the 25th of November, 2024, Campani Argent conducted an insider sale of 28,562 shares of common stock. On the 19th of November, 2024, Olson John A conducted an insider sale of 50,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 89.077. Overall, insiders purchased 5,437,177 shares and sold 73,346,353 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $26.54, representing a decrease of 2.72%. This stock exhibits very high daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. The 14-day Relative Strength Index, or RSI, is at 89, further amplifying this risk. A buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 10 days ago. Is Rocket Lab USA stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators show positive trends, and the stock has broken its upward trend, suggesting an even stronger rate of increase. This leads us to believe that the current price level presents a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Rocket Lab USA Inc. stock to perform well in the short term. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 2nd of December, we anticipate that Rocket Lab USA will open down by 290 thousandths of a dollar and begin trading at $26.99. It's important to keep in mind that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. We strongly recommend consulting with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Please do not rely solely on StockInvest.us when making your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.